Hello, greetings to each and every one of you who are watching our channel. Thank you for watching. Today I would like us to go into Mathematics N4. Mathematics N4. So this is Mathematics, you can say Math N4. So in there we are. Let us do trigonometry. So trigonometry. Let us pick one question. It was a question in this year. I'm not sure whether is it April or August. Yes, but this question is question 3. So question 3. Under question 3, let us do 3.1. So we are doing question 3.1 under question 3. So for trigonometry. So the question would be saying determine the value of x. Determine the value of x if 3 sine. Determine the value of x if 3 sine squared x plus 2 sine x cos x is equals to 4 cos x plus 6 sine x. There we are. And we are given that the value of x is between 0 and 360 degrees. We are given that condition there. And also we were given that the allocation of marks is 5 marks. Okay, in a scenario like this, we can see that our equation is very much complicated. But we are having tools, we are having mathematic tools where we can simplify and try to bring to an equation that which is solvable. So as we are looking on the right and on the left, we can see that there is something there that we can do. Let us try by all means to factorize this. So if I'm trying to factorize, I see in both terms there is a common factor here. So sine, I'm going to take out sine x as a common factor. This is 3 sine x plus 2 cos x. After factorizing, I will factorize t even on the other side. What I see there is no trigonometric ratio that which is common, but I see numbers. I see 2 here. In 4 there is 2, in 6 there is. Let us take 2 as a common factor. Take out 2 as a common factor. So if we take out 2 as a common factor, we'll be having 3 sine x. So why is it like this? It's because when you remove 2 from there is 3 sine x. So it's going to also be plus 2 cos x. There we are. When you multiply this by this, you get 6 sine x. When you multiply this 2 by that one, you get 4 cos x. So meaning everything is proper and according to the rules. You remember in math we do rules here. Once you break one rule, you are out of the game. So what we do, bring that term from that side to this side. Let's see what we can do about it. Remember, when it comes over to this side, it becomes minus. So we go like this: 3 sine x plus 2 cos x is equals to 0. There's nothing there. Let us put it as if is equals to 0. When we have expression or equation like this, there is something that is still common. Can you see 3 sine x plus 2 cos x is common on this term and on the other term. So let's take out 3 sine x plus 2 cos x as our common factor as well. Therefore, here we are. We have 3 sine x plus 2 cos x as a common factor. As you remove a common factor this side, you are left with sine x. As you remove common factor this side, you are left with 2. So we say is equals to 0. Therefore, you can see here that this time around we have to equate from this bracket here. We can equate 3 sine x plus 2 cos x is equals to 0. We do it just like in a situation where we are solving for x. So here we have 3 sine x plus 2 cos x is equals to 0. We can carry on even from this side. Sine x minus 2 is equals to 0. Can you see that one? Hopefully you can see that one. We are still moving forward. This question worth 5 marks. So in a scenario like this one here, you can see our board is still small. We will organize a bigger one, or we can just carry on nicely. So let us erase here so that we can have more space. Hopefully you are seeing what I'm doing there. Hopefully you are able to see what I'm writing on this my whiteboard here. Hopefully that is coming together. But really, if I've erased, you can still you can download this video, and then you can pause in order for you to get what is really necessary for you to get there. This one we can also erase. This one we can also erase. Yeah, here we are. We have 3 sine x plus 2 cos x is equals to 0. The other side we have sine x minus 2 is equals to 0. Let us start with a simple one. Sine x is equals to 2. There we are. What we do, we take 2 to the other side. And then from there, let us get a reference angle, alpha. Second function, sine alpha. Second function of sine 2. Alpha is equals to second function. Punch your calculator, shift sine 2. What do you get? You get error. So it means you cannot continue with this solution. Error. Write it there, wherever you are, in the exam or in the test or in the, write it down, error. You cannot continue with this kind of a solution. So here we are, we have another solution here. Solving this, we know 3 sine x is equals to minus 2 cos x, okay, divided by cos x. This is sine x divided by cos x is equals to minus 2 divided by 3. Hopefully you all know how to manipulate the formula. I don't know if in N4 the subtitle or topic manipulation of technical formula is still being taught, but we have to know how to manipulate the formula to one variable, the subject of that, or one item, the subject of the formula. So here, I've just manipulated here. In fact, I divided both sides by cos x, cos x. Cos x will divide cos x that side. So sin x here divided by cos x is 10x. I have minus 2 divided by 3. I need to get alpha this side. Second function, 10 of 2 divided by 3. Be careful here. As you are looking for a reference angle, do not use the negative sign. The negative sign, it gives a directive whereby you are going to look for the value of x. You will be looking for the value of x where 10 is negative. So 10 is negative in the second and the fourth quadrants. We know that. We also know that 10 is positive in the first and the third quadrants. So let us carry on. So our alpha, when you punch, say shift on your calculator, 10, 2 divided by 3, what do you get? You are getting something there. It's 33.69 degrees. Okay, that is alpha. It is not even our x. So let us go. We have to know our quadrants, our first quadrants, our second quadrants, our third, and our fourth. We have to know our quadrants. Otherwise, if you don't know our quadrants and the conditions thereof, we are doomed. So, but especially if we are in the exam room and we don't know all about this. So if you don't know all about all students take coffee. All students take coffee. Learn about all of these things. You can Google it. All students take coffee, and then everything will go accordingly. Let us look for x. Remember I said we are looking only in the quadrants where 10 is negative. Remember this sign, which I said do not use it, this minus sign here. Do not use it for looking for the reference angle, okay? So in the second quadrant, where 10 is negative, we have 180 degrees minus alpha, okay? And then our alpha, remember our alpha it was found, it is 33. Our alpha is a reference angle, there it is. So let us continue to say 180 minus 33.69. Let's see what we get. We are getting 146.31 degrees. Okay, we get our x. Let's name this x1. We'll have to go look for x2. x2 in the fourth quadrant, 10 is negative. The conditions thereof is 360 degrees minus alpha. So 360 degrees minus 33.69. Let's see how it goes. So here we are. So that is 326.31 degrees. There we are. So this was a question for 5 marks. This was a question, trigonometric question for N4 students this year 2025 for 5 marks. So it was just like this. So you keep on, if you are a student, you keep on collecting this mark, collecting until you carry on to the next level. You carry on collecting. Thanks a lot for watching this our video. Keep on watching our video. There are more questions on mathematics info that which are coming. Keep on watching. It's not only math info, even those that are doing other subjects. We are going to keep on uploading videos, uploading. So there we'll be talking about trigonometry and some other things. We'll talk a lot on mathematics info before you are going to write your examination. Subscribe to this our channel. I think you will benefit a lot here in this channel. So like and subscribe to our channel so that we can carry on together, because we are not in a hurry whenever we are solving all of these things. We want to carry you along step by step. We are carrying you along step by step together with us. Thank you for watching. I'm going to do another video very soon. Just keep on watching.